Hi friends, we have now come out with an online consultation. You know why? Because a lot of you who have been calling either to the hospital phone or to my personal number, not able to reach me because of the timing. I'm either seeing a patient or doing a procedure, laser or surgery. I'm unable to pick a call and we forgot to revert back to you. Now, this online consultation will help both you and me for reaching out together and getting to know more about the eye problems like cataract, diabetic retinopathy, retinitis pigmentosa, ocular manifestations, various ocular manifestations in the retina, optic nerve, causing low vision, trauma. All these problems can be, you can discuss with me and reach out to me at specified times. Contact me on this number and book your appointment for online consult. Thank you.